Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a content calendar on Airtable, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing we're going to be adding is the calendar, and we're just going to name it calendar, select this as collaborative and keep it like that, and then create new view. And now, as you can see, you need to choose date fields, and you need to create a date field if you don't already have one. So let's say start date. Date format is whichever you want. Include time. That should be, well, enabled if you want to create a content calendar for a specific amount of time, and I'll choose the 24-hour version. Then you can use the same time zone for all collaborators. I'll keep it as this and display the time zone, and the default option should be set to current date if you want to, and let's just say create field. Now, once we've set that up, you can create a new field for the end date as well, and then just click done. And now you can add anything to your table like so. Just click here and you can add something, for example, I don't know, post 1, and as you can see, it has been set to the start date of the 1st of October, and then you can select the date which you want. I'll select 10 a.m. GMT, and now that is it, and it's as easy as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.